At number 2, a yard sign controversy has turned into a mystery in an Oak Park neighborhood. It's a story you'll see only on 7.
Anonymous letters are popping up on windshields from someone who is not on board with the idea. 7 Action News reporter Rudy Harper is live now to explain how this started. Rudy?
Well, local headlines rallied these neighbors to put up these signs here. In fact, they were caught off guard when they saw that anonymous letter. Now they just want to know who wrote it.
It says, "We believe Black Lives Matter."
Jody Sitkins never expected this reaction from a neighbor over a sign in her front yard.
I said, "Hey, what's on my windshield?" And then up pops the note.
Her emotions went from surprise to shock, she says, after reading the anonymous note.
It says, "Neighbor, please watch Colin Flaherty on YouTube. Then you might think twice about putting that evil, awful sign in your yard. Please, I beg you."
Colin Flaherty is a controversial author who offers his opinion on race in America. Sitkins' neighbor, Kyle Gerard, says he found a note on his car windshield a year ago, which appears to be from the same anonymous neighbor. He, too, was criticized for having the same sign in his yard.
It's actually just, don't you know that the Black Lives Matter movement spreads racism or promotes racism? And then the weird message was, why are you, it's sad that you're afraid of black people, which I really didn't understand the intent of the message.
At first, he wondered if it had something to do with his partner.
My girlfriend's black, and I thought maybe they'd seen us in the neighborhood.
The two neighbors say the person behind the letters misunderstood their message.
The intent of the signs is to spread acceptance of people and not fear your neighbor, not fear other people.
They can preach all they want to me, but it's not going to change my mind. I'm sticking with love.
Those neighbors say those notes have only spurred more folks here to put up signs. Meantime, that person behind the notes doesn't have to hide anymore. These neighbors say they want to have a conversation. Live in Oak Park, I'm Rudy Harper, 7 Action News.